What's the meaning of burly? Burly. Burly.
Burly. Burly. Burly is an adjective used to describe someone or something that is large, strong and heavily built. It can be used to refer to a person who has a muscular and sturdy physique, or to inanimate objects that are large and sturdy. For example, a burly man may be a professional wrestler or a construction worker, and a burly oak tree may have a thick trunk and branches. The term can also imply a sense of toughness or ruggedness, as well as a certain level of physical intimidation. Overall, burly conveys the idea of strong and solid physical presence.